In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Proton Mail on Kali Linux. Since Kali Linux is based on Debian, installing the Proton Mail desktop app is fairly straightforward, and using the apt package manager helps keep the process native to your system. That means the app can run smoothly inside your regular Kali desktop environment, whether you're using XFCE, GNOME, or another supported interface, while also benefiting from system integration like desktop notifications and efficient performance. To begin, bring your terminal window into focus. If it isn't already open, you can launch it with the standard keyboard shortcut, Control, Alt, and T. The terminal is where you'll prepare your system before adding any third-party software. And this first stage is important because it makes sure your package lists and installed components are current. Once the terminal is open, you'll run a full update and upgrade cycle. Type the command exactly as shown in your guide. Sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade. Why? Here's what that does. The first part, apt update, refreshes Kali's package index so your system knows about the latest available software versions from the configured repositories. The second part, apt upgrade Y, installs available upgrades automatically and uses the yes flag so you won't need to manually confirm each prompt during the process. After entering the command, press enter. If your system asks for your password, type it carefully. Keep in mind that the password won't visibly appear in the terminal as you type, and that is completely normal on Linux systems. Just enter it and press enter again. Depending on how long it has been since your last system update, this step may complete quickly or take several minutes. If many packages need to be upgraded, let the process finish completely without closing the terminal. Interrupting updates can sometimes leave package management in an inconsistent state, so patience here is worthwhile. As the command runs, you may see lines indicating repository checks, package downloads, and installation progress. That's expected. What you're looking for is a successful completion with the prompt returning to normal, which tells you the synchronization and upgrade cycle has finished. This preparation step matters because installing desktop applications on an outdated system can sometimes lead to dependency issues or package conflicts. By updating first, you create a cleaner, more reliable foundation for the Proton Mail installation process that follows. Once the update and upgrade are complete, your Kali Linux system is properly staged and ready for the next part of the installation.